Okay guys, good morning. Now we see the ES bouncing off the ATR. We see a congestion bump before the market arrives to the ATR. And well, as expected, the market just, broke the ATR down. Right now we are on the 15-minute ATR short. Okay, if this market reverses, we're gonna add to the position here and we're gonna get our target. So we're gonna wait and see what the market will do right now. Okay guys, so it paid out. Market just as expected, reversed. Okay,
Short signal and Q.
we're out guys. For contracts over 1K is this trade. As you can see, well, the market rebounded out of this ATR. Like I always say guys, it's a measured move. It's a measured move. Okay, so the Nasdaq just broke the ATR here. Okay, so never pulled back. Is screaming to the downside starting from here. Okay, the buyers try to go
Short
again.
signal and
Remember
Q.
what I always tell you about the linear regression. If we are below the linear regression, we are bearish. Okay, we are bearish. This guy's reversed as expected. Never looked back, so the market just went ballistic down. Okay, so reverse here, tag the ATR again. Then it made the three boxes to the upside. And you know what this happens. You know what this means, guys. I always explain you this. Even though you think it's not working, it works. Every day is the same thing. When you see three boxes, it's an exhaustion. We don't wanna go up. We don't wanna go up. So these guys just went and reversed here. It's like an exhaustion pattern. Can let the market continue down, and we got our third target. And you see over here we tag the ATR again. Okay, so let's see, tag the ATR again. Okay, so we see the boxes here. This means that the market is deceleration, went back up, which is the same thing as the NQ boxes here. And then we tag the ATR, correlation dot down. Then it was a no-brainer, guys. Then the market went ballistic down. So we see the buyers trying to push in the micro ES, but they couldn't. Then we see the imbalances to the downside, 1200 contracts, 2100 contracts. Well, this was a good trade, guys. We are below the 15-minute charts, and you know how the market activates when we are in the two ITR alignment, which is what we are looking for. Okay, trading with the trend, guys. Okay, if you want to start small with a trade, you can open a
Short
trade
signal
small,
and Q.
then you add to the position, guys. This is the best way
Short
of
signal
trading,
and
so
Q.
you will not lose your socks. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me.
Short signal
I will be
ES.
happy to send you information. Thanks for watching, guys.
Short signal and Q.
Brick setup. Brick setup.